So I'm here with a new question today, and the question is PPC campaign structure and audit. Hey Ali, hi. Okay, looking for some advice from people who have managed Google accounts at scale. Okay, sure, I'm here. I work on account selling magazine subscriptions, and I'm starting to question whether the current structure is holding performance back. Okay, let me see what your structure is. Current setup: 20 plus search campaigns, mostly split by individual magazine title, almost entirely exact match keywords, brand focus like magazine name subscription, relatively tight budget per campaign, 10 uh, pound to 40 pounds a day. Most campaigns using maximum conversions TCP, but many have low conversion volume. Running feed only PMAX, which is doing okay but seems heavily skewed towards brand. Previously had broader PMAX campaign that worked well, but the performance has dropped off in 2026 despite decent assets plus some first party data. Testing standard shopping on a few titles not included in PMAX. Challenges I'm seeing: lots of campaign with very low volume impressions plus conversions. Data feels very fragmented across campaigns. Some titles perform well, others are very inefficient despite similar intent. Performance max campaigns has become less reliable versus last year. Okay, okay. So is it a mistake to have so many separate search campaigns for what is essentially the same product subscriptions, just different brands? Would you consolidate into fewer campaigns versus one brand campaign, all titles, possibly grouped by theme? At this budget level, is extreme exact match only too restrictive or still the right approach for subscriptions? Has anyone else seen PMAX drop off recently, especially for subscriptions and e-commerce? Does running standard shopping alongside feed only PMAX make sense or just create overlap? I'm trying to figure out whether the issue is structure too fragmented, bidding not enough, or channel mix, search versus PMAX. So, okay, so there are so many questions. Um, Okay, basically after doing some audits of the campaigns, we have come to few of the conclusions. First of all, sometimes the maximize conversions TCPA, you know maximize conversion with TCPA sometimes becomes boring, and we may have to shift temporarily to maximize clicks. However, I'm just saying it. This is not the problem over here. The problem over here, which I feel, is that the creating too many separate search campaigns is a actually a problem. If I were you, I would create different ad groups. I emphasize on creating ad groups rather than on creating search campaigns unless and until your data is to grab timings or days or to create specific campaigns for specific days. Yeah, that makes sense, but otherwise, it's too much. So I would not do that. Secondly, regarding your question, like exact match is restrictive, I recommend going with a freeze match to see, or broad match with smart bidding. Try. I used to say that no broad match, no broad match, but now things have been changed with smart bidding. So I would try broad match with smart bidding as well. But you need to heavily look on my search terms to add on negative keywords. Also, before trying with the broad match, my recommendation is to go with the phrase match. That would be a better approach and can give you productive results. And PMAX drop off recently, especially for subscription or e-commerce hybrid models. I think that what we are missing over here is a retargeting or a remarketing campaign for subscription-based magazines. Which needs to have a relation. I think that. Those people who tried adding to add to cart but did not make a successful purchase could be tried promoting through basically doing a retargeting campaign could make a sense. And if I were you, I would rather run the standard shopping campaign for some time and then rather run the PMAX campaign to see if I feel rather running both of them consecutive. So I would do that, and that could help me in figuring out some better results. Okay. Also, try looking on your quality score. Is that dropped or not? Because I feel like if your impressions are dropped, also look for your search impression share to see if your search impression share has been dropped. This could also tell you that the quality score has been dropped, which is why this is happening. And I think that the reason for the quality score, I think you also may need to look on your CTR. Is your CTR is also getting dropped? I assume that along with the quality score, your CTR is also getting low down, which needs a refresh to your ad copy. So your ad copy also needs a refresh. I think in the specifically in your search campaigns, I think that that could be a thing as well. And yeah, just strategize these, and I think you may be help to recover. But if you or anyone needs a professional help with Google Ads audit management and services, don't forget to hire our service. We are a full-fledged Google Ads partner company, and we would love to help you. We have a range of services, including Google Ads audit management services. So many services. You can hire me and my team through the link in the description. We are known as ARSWEBS.com as a Google Ads partner company. We would love to work with you. Do hire us. Take care. Bye bye.